Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the Automation on your YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be guiding through the process of creating a HMI alarms in Siemens TIA Portal. But first, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Okay, now let's get started. First, open the TIA Portal. As you can see, I have already created a project, the PLC S7-1200 and the HMI KTP 400 Basic. If you are new to Siemens TIA Portal, please watch my previous videos on how to create new project in Siemens TIA Portal. This link is in the video description below. In order to display the alarms in the HMI, first you need to have a list of alarms in the PLC. For example, if you have a motor and sensors, you might have a motor breaker trip alarm and sensor low and high value alarms. Since I have no real motor breaker and sensor, I'm going to create a simple program with buttons to trigger these alarms in the PLC. Okay, first we open the PLC and write the simple program. Go to the program blocks and click on the main OB, and here you write the simple program. Okay, I use these contacts to write simple program. All right, I name it as high temperature. This uses a reset button, temperature alarm. Define tag, go to global memory, define. Do the same thing for the reset button and also for the output contact, output coil, sorry. So this one you copy here. Okay. Now I have created a simple program to trigger the alarm. Whenever you press this button, high temperature button, then the alarm temperature alarm will trigger. Once it's triggered, if you press the reset button, the alarm will reset itself. Okay. So now you have a temperature alarm here. You need to create a alarm tag to display the alarms in the HMI. For this, you need to go to the PLC tags, click on the default tag table, and here you can create a alarm tag. Okay, you can name it just alarm tag or whatever you want. Alarm underscore tags. This should be in the Word format. So you could click and choose Word, and then the address I have to change the address to maybe you can put it 10 or whatever it is. Okay. Now the alarm text is ready. Now you go to the menu B and click here, then click and write the coil. So copy this alarm, put it here, and then now you're transferring the alarms to the HMI alarm. So name it item item alarm. Define tag. You go to global memory. Here you need to change the address because we have set the address is MW10. So you can set it M10 point the whatever you want. From M10 to MW10 means is M10 and M11. So M10.0 or to M11.7 you can set. So I put it M10.0 just for this one tag. Then click define. Okay, now the alarm is everything is ready here. Then we go to the HMI section, go to the screens and go to a root screen. So this is my root screen. I'm going to create a button to link with the PLC program. So this is the button. Okay, I amp this button. Okay, go to the properties, go to the events, press add function, set it while key pressed. Go here, click it, go to the PLC tags, go to the div dot table, go to the height temp, click OK. So now we create a button and link the button with the PLC tag. The next button we need to create is reset button. So this is the reset button to reset the alarm. So change the name to reset and go to here. Then you change the bit address. Click. Go to the PLC tags. Click on the default tag table. Click on the reset. Click OK. So now we have assigned these two buttons to the PLC tag address. Okay, now our program is ready. Then we go to the HMI alarm section to create the alarm. For this, you need to have a separate screen to display the alarms. So add new screen. Then the screen one is here. You can rename it as alarm. ALAM, alarm. This is the alarm screen. Now for this, you go to this control. This is the alarm view. You click the alarm view and drag and drop here. Okay. So you can adjust the size as you want. Okay, this is the alarm here. Click this and click on the properties. Okay, here there are options to display the alarms. One is the current alarm states, and there is a alarm buffer, and there is a alarm log. So current alarm means whenever the alarm trigger, it will show the current alarms only. There is no possible to see the history of the alarms. If you select the alarm buffer, here you can see the current alarm as well as the alarm history. The last one is the alarm log. You can log all the alarms, whatever the alarm trigger, you can log it, and then you can see it. You can export it on the external file. So today we're going to use the alarm buffer to display all the alarms along with the history of alarms. Here you have a alarm classes like error, warning, system. You can define which alarm goes to error, which alarm goes to warnings. System alarm is the default alarm, whichever trigger from the system, it will capture under the system alarms. Okay, I will select in the alarm buffer. Then you can go to the appearance, and then you can change the background color, all those things in this the appearance section. This is the border, this is the layout of the alarm screen size, whatever it is, the display, how it look like. And then you go to the, you can uncheck or check which are the columns you want to display it in the alarm page. So I'm going to uncheck the alarm number. I no need to have alarm number. So I want the time and the alarm text and the alarm date. Then I no need this the alarm class. I have only three. So you can change this the format like time, date, text. Then you can change to date and times. Just click it, click on the edit. Then you click on the date and then move to here. You click on the time and move to here, then it will change the location, the date, time and text format. It will appear on this format. So you can decide how you want to display the alarms in this page. Okay, this is how you can. Also you can change the name of these headers, like a number, time, status, whatever it is that you want to change, you can change it. Okay, I can live with it. So our alarm page is ready. Then we go to the HMI alarms. Click on the HMI alarms. Here we're going to create a new alarm. Okay, this is the new alarm. Alarm name, you can put it high temperature alarm, whatever it is. Temperature alarm text that's supposed to be show in the alarm page. So in the alarm text, you should give the clear meaning of the alarm. So I can name it here is the high temperature alarm. High temperature alarm. Okay, the alarm class I'm going to put it in the error trigger tag and the trigger address. Okay, here you need to select the tag trigger tag. That's the alarm text. Click OK. It's very important to set the correct trigger bit address to display the alarms here. Okay, the trigger bit address you have to go and check back on your main OB. So this is the address of M10.0 is the trigger bit address M10.0, which means it's equal to the 8th bit of the memory word tag. So go back and go to the HMI alarm and set it here as number 8. Okay, now it's ready. Then now our alarm everything is ready. Then you click on the alarm class. So here you can set the our alarms are under the error alarm class. You can put the color for this. You can set the different color for the alarms. Okay, this is the background color of incoming alarms. Whenever the alarm trigger, it will show on the red color. Then this one is the incoming outgoing. Whenever the alarm comes and goes out automatically, then this color will display it. So we can put it the alarm as incoming outgoing is green. The next incoming and acknowledge, if the alarm comes and then you press the acknowledge button, then it will change to the color to another color. So we can set this color as maybe you can put it as yellow. So once the alarm comes, if anyone is press the acknowledge button, then the alarm will change to the yellow color. The last one is alarm incoming, which comes and goes with acknowledged. Then it change the colors. So you can put it the you can choose to another color like blue. So we have a four coloring to set the alarm to understand the alarm class. Okay, now everything is ready. There is one more thing we need to set it here is to the screen management and go to the global screen. This global screen, you have a three small screens here. These come screens will pop up once the alarm is triggered automatically. So you can decide which alarms, which screen you want to display it on here. These are active system events. Maybe whether you want, you can keep it. Actually, I want to. Um, I can delete it. I no need bending alarms. This bending alarms also I don't want. I just delete it. I just keep it the add acknowledged alarms, which means whenever the alarms trigger, then this screen will pop up first. And this a small icon also will pop up. If you want, you can keep it, or either you can delete it. I just delete it. So this is a small screen that you can change the size, adjust the size to small screen so that it will be pop up and top of the screen. You can adjust the size as you want. Okay, that's all. Then we can go to this one final thing we need to set. Go to the runtime settings. Go clicks on the alarms. Then here you check the alarm class color so that the colors will be displayed in the HMI. Okay, that's all. Then you can. There is one more thing we need to do is to have a button to move from one screen to other screen. We have a two screen here. One is the root screen, other one is the alarm screen. So we need to create a button to move from one screen to another screen. I just create another button. Just copy and then paste this button here. So this one I can name it as a alarm screen. I click here on the properties and go to the events. Click on the press. This one you can delete it. Click on the activate screen. Activate screen. Activate screen. Go to alarm screen. Click OK. Just copy this. Go to the alarm screen. Adjust the size and then paste this button here. Let's name it root screen. Change to root screen. Click OK. So now everything's ready. Then we can start our simulation. Click on the PLC. Click on the simulation. Click OK. Load. Load. Finish. Minimize it. Go to the program. Click on the program. Make it so that you can see that the program is okay. Then click on the HMI. Click this. So HMI screen is ready for the viewing. So just click on the alarm screen. As you can see here, this the system generated alarms that you can see it here. Then click on the root screen. Is go back to this screen. Now we click on the high temperature to trigger the alarm. We can press this high temperature button, so you can see the high temperature alarm is triggered on this screen. This is the acknowledge button. When you press this acknowledge button, the alarms is goes. You can go to the alarm screen. You can see here there is the high temperature alarm which is display, which is the incoming alarm in displayed in red color. After you press the acknowledge button, the alarm color is changed to yellow. When you go to the root screen, you just reset it, the alarm. So you can see the alarm is resetted, and you go to alarm screen, and then you can see here the alarm in blue color, which means alarm incoming alarm acknowledged and then is resetted, which means is outgoing. So you have a three type of colors here. There is one more color I can display it on here. You can go back to the alarm, so trigger the alarm. So the alarm is triggered. Now you don't need to acknowledge to display the alarms in green color. So if you not press the acknowledge button, the alarm will display it in the green color once you reset. Okay, you go to the alarm screen. So the new alarm is triggered. It's a red color, and you go to the alarm screen, then reset the alarm. So the alarm is gone. It's just incoming and then is outgoing. So you go to the alarm screen, you can see the color green. So the incoming alarm is shows as red, and once you reset, the outgoing alarm displayed in the green. So here we didn't this press the acknowledge button. That's why it's only there is a two type of alarm displays here. Okay, guys, that's all for today. It's I hope it's a very useful video for you guys. If you have any doubt, please drop in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video.